Friends, this is what the project we have seen. Withdrawal proof right now. This project name is called Crypto Future Limited. Friends, I just request you guys to check the referral link which given in our description and pin comment. Just click on that. It will direct you to the site. This is how the site's actual interface looks like. The site is actually a decentralized project. Friends, you can see here this project saying that they will double your money on just 24 hours of time period. As I said, it's a decentralized program. Yeah, you no needed to enter your usernames, passwords, some captchas, etc. Friends, a simple thing you need to do is you have to enter your wallet addresses like Perfect Money address, LTC, TRX, Sol, Dodge, whatever you have, just enter it on a cryptocurrencies. If you don't have cryptocurrencies, then you can use your Payer wallet or Perfect Money wallet to create an account with this project, friends. Simply you have to just enter your wallet addresses, whatever you have, and then it's start button. Yeah, my suggestion is it's best to use BTC, LTC, or TRX with this project, friends. If you don't have this, then I request you guys to go for with the Pop Money or a Payer to create an account with the site. Yeah, I just suggest you guys to try. If you're in low risk taker, then you can go for with $2 to $5 a year. If you're in really moderate risk taker, then I ask you to try $10 to $25 with this project. If you're in good risk taker, then I ask you to try maximum $50 with this project, friends. More than that, it's your own risk. But here you have to keep one thing in mind, friends. All the investments are risk. You have to research and invest carefully according to your own financial statistics, friends. And enter it and just hit the start button. It will create an account. Before that, let me see some overview about this project. You can see this project processing you automatic withdrawal. It's that's what I said this before, friends. And you can see they're having DTOS production, and they're saying their company was registered under United Kingdoms, and they also given some license number, friends. If you want, just check it out and verify it. And you can see this project also displaying their latest deposits and withdrawals which are made from the project. Someone have deposited recently 20 TRX here, friends, and someone have deposited almost 0.013. It comes around almost $4,000, friends. Yes, comes around almost, sorry, $400 were deposited by someone have deposited $4 here. Likely they are displaying, friends. You can just if you want, you can just check it out here. And you can see in latest withdrawals, someone have withdrawn 39 USDT here, friends. Someone have withdrawn 16 USDs, someone have withdrawn a few BTCs here. Just check it out, friends, which are given here. And this is what the quick overview, friends. Now I just try to show you how to log in my account. To log in here, I just want to enter the um, wallet address whatever I used for creating an account here, friends. I just entering out. It's some confidential. I just resume this video after entering it, friends. After entering your wallet address which you used for create an account with this project, then it start button. It will direct you to the account. This is how your account dashboard actually looks like. Friends, if you want to make a deposit, then just hit this three lines which is in top rightmost corner, then hit make a deposit button. It will direct you to the deposit page. If there is a huge traffic at the time, then it will show you a error message like this. Yeah, you have to refresh it again and again, friends. After refreshing it again and again, it show you a dialog box to deposit here. After that, you can deposit the amount whatever you want to invest through, friends. As I said, if you are in low risk taker, then try $2 to $5 here. If you're in moderate risk taker, then I ask you to try $10 to $25 with this project. If you're in good risk taker, then I ask you to try $50 with this project, friends. Yeah, you have to keep one thing in mind. Online investment is always risky. You have to invest here with your own risk, friends. That's it from here. Yeah, I can't able to show you a live deposits here, friends, because if I show that, then it will display me display the wallet addresses. It's really confidential for me, so I haven't shown you the amount what I deposited here. Frankly telling you friends, I have deposited $25 with this project. If you want, you too can try that, because $25 is I tried it with my own risk, so that's why I just trying to sell it here, tell it here. Friends, that's it from here. In this video, we have clearly seen our live withdrawal proofs, and we also given some quick overview about this project. I hope this video is really helpful and interesting for you. If you think this video is really helpful and interesting, please hit the like button, then share it with your friends. If you don't like it, then simply dislike this video and tell it in your comments why you don't like it, which helps me to improve my performances in next videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I'm steady.